If you're seeing Epic Games error code IS-MF-01, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens because of a file relocation failure, which means the launcher is having trouble moving or updating game files properly. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and most of them only take a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart your computer. This may sound basic, but it clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and often fixes launcher issues caused by a bad update or a stuck file operation. After your PC restarts, open Epic Games again and check whether the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. To do that, find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin permissions gives the launcher full access to the files it needs, which can solve permission-related issues behind error code IS-MF-01. If that still doesn't fix it, open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, and find the game that's giving you trouble. Click the three dots next to the game, then choose Manage or Verify, depending on what you see in your launcher version. Verifying the game files makes Epic scan your installation for missing, broken, or mismatched files and repair them automatically. This is one of the most effective fixes when the error is related to corrupted or incomplete game data. Let the verification finish completely and then try launching the game again. If the error continues after verifying files, the next thing to try is a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with only essential services and disables most startup apps and background processes, which helps you find out whether another program is interfering with Epic Games. To do this, press Windows key and R, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. After that, open the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager, then disable any non-essential startup items. Restart your computer and try Epic Games again. If the launcher works in clean boot mode, then one of your background apps was likely causing the file relocation failure. At that point, you can re-enable your startup apps one by one to find the culprit. If none of those methods work, the final fix is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Sometimes the installation itself is damaged in a way that verification can't fully repair, and a clean reinstall gives you a fresh copy of the files. Uninstall the game from the Epic Games Launcher or from Windows, restart your PC, then download and install the game again from your library. Once the reinstall is complete, launch the game and see if the error is gone. So to recap, the best ways to fix Epic Games error code IS-MF-01 are to restart your computer, run the launcher as administrator, verify your game files, perform a clean boot, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall the game. Try each method in order, and in most cases, one of them will get you back into the game. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.